Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9836793076 or 98748222756. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we will be solving some BCA questions. So let's move on. So we have question number 15 in hand. 9th and 10th complement of 3168.23 are. So we need to find the 9th complement and 10th complement of this number, which is 3168.23. So we know that to obtain the 9th complement, we need to subtract the number from 999.99. So this is 999.99 minus 3168.23, and then we have to perform the subtraction, which is 6 here and 7 here, with 1 here, 3 here, and we have 8 and 6. So this is 6831.76, which is the 9th complement of the number. (3168.23). So we have already found one of the answers. So the answer number 1, which is the 9th complement part, is 9th complement is 6831.76, and answer number 2 is 10th complement, which we are yet to find out. Now finding the 10th complement from the 9th complement is very easy. We need to just add 1 to the number in order to find its 10th complement. So upon adding this, we have here. The interesting thing to note is that this one gets added to the decimal part of the number. So this is actually 6831.76 plus 1 here, that is the decimal part, not the integer part of the number. So this is the floating point part of the number, and here we add the plus 1, that is to the rightmost part. So the answer will be 6831.77. So the 10th complement is 6831.77. Okay, one thing is that this will be question number 19, I guess, and not 15. This is question number 19, and the next question we will be taking will be question number 20. So in question number 20 we have a blank first. So dash controls the way in which the computer functions and provides means by which the user can interact with the computer. So we need to fill in this blank, and we have 4 options given to us. So option number A says platform, B says application software, C says operating system, and D says motherboard. So the correct answer will be option number C, or the operating system. The operating system, or OS as we all know it, because the operating system is an interface between a computer user and a operating system is a interface between an user and the computer hardware. Which manages the hardware as well as the software required so that they can work together and provide the service we want. So so it is an interface between an user and computer hardware which manages the hardware as well as the software to work together in order to give us the desired output. So the answer will be option number C, or operating systems. Thank you.